want to go any further than I have to. This is all headed to the dump, actually.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna say I'd bring my trailer in. But yeah, if you'd want to haul it another 3 miles.
Not really. I got a lot of weight on them tires.
Well, I know.
Yeah.
I was in here an hour ago and my boy was at the doctor.
But all of those ones with pink are coming down. So we're not going to be here tomorrow, but we'll be back on Friday again taking them down.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, if you want to come up with a trailer or whatever, oh, yeah. I've got that machine right there.
That's handy.
I'll put whatever you want on the trailer. It's
how high is the lift on that? 4 foot?
It'll lift about 6 foot.
6 foot, okay.
Yeah.
I'll take my truck with
what kind of truck?
I've got 2-ton trucks. I've got twin screw dump trucks.
Okay.
I've got all kinds of stuff. But I'll just bring my
like
I'll bring a car
it would lift into the back of that if I opened that gate, but it wouldn't lift over that gate.
Nope, I'll just bring a car trailer or something.
Okay.
Then we'll just shove them off the tractor or something.
Okay.
Alrighty, well.
But yeah, you're welcome to. And like I said, you know, there's 4 more right there that are coming out.
Yeah, I'd rather have the oaks than the elms. That's for darn sure.
They're all oaks that are coming out.
All oaks?
Yep. There's 4 more right there that are coming out, and I think there's like.
What was their reasoning? Were they dying?
Yeah, they got hypoxylin canker, and so yeah, they were just slowly declining.
When they first got planted in the early '80s.
Is that right? Uh-oh. Done it now. We got the sheriff's coming, we got the fire department coming. Well, I guess we found the capacity of the chip truck and also how long it stays light out this time of year. Dark super early. Hate this time of year. Run out of light too fast. Got chips.